Dear student, welcome in the online tutorial classes. Myself, Mr. Manoj Kumar, Faculty of Education, Jamshedpur Cooperative College. In the socialization part 2, I will discuss on the agencies of socialization. In the earlier video lecture, I have discussed on various concepts of socialization and what are the motivational factors or motivating factors that influences socialization. Now we discussed about various agencies of socialization that influences or that helps in socialization. The first in this series of agencies, the first comes family. Family is the foremost and the pillar of child socialization. It is the formal informal agency of socialization. It is a basic agency of socialization of the child in the formative area of development, that is during the infancy period. The child brought up under the supervision of the parents, the family members, either the uncle, auntie, grandfather, or brother, sister. So under all these members, he internalizes various beliefs, traditions, and values of the family. As he grows gradually, this become the part of the personality, and he becomes what adjustable not only in the family but that is replicated in the society also. So family plays a pivotal and very important role uh, in socialization. The question generally asked that which is the informal agency of socialization. So the answer is family is the informal agency of socialization. All the personalities, all the personality traits that has been developed, it is a pillar of this agency is called the pillar of child's socialization. Now the next point is school. This is another very important agency of socialization, and it is a foremost formal agency of socialization. It as the child grows, he come across so many students in schools, across the culture, across the social strata of the students from the different social strata of the society. So interact with those students, and he develops various traits, qualities of behavior such as cooperation, uh, such as uh, teamwork, altruism, and sympathy. So most of the traits has been developed in school. There are so many cultural activities and various co-curricular activities, festivals that is going in schools. So by indirect socialization, or he imbibes various qualities uh, in their personality traits, and he become a balancing personality. The school provides this congenial atmosphere. He disciplined, and he become uh, law-abiding students, law-abiding, productive and active and useful member of the society. The school plays a pivotal role in making this child to become a socially useful member of the society. Now the third agency, which is neighborhood. As the child grows from the early childhood to what during the nascent year and the childhood, when his area of venture or he walks away from the family, he come across various neighbors neighbors, and he tries to behave according to the uh, according to the behavior that has been learned in the family, and he tries to reflect with the neighborhood. And if neighborhood provides congenial atmosphere and a very warm and what warm environment to the child will also behave in the same way. So neighborhood also provides a very important role as a, it also acts as an agency of socialization. So this is another informal agency of socialization. Now the peer groups, when he the groups he interacts the child interacts with the others friends in either in the school or in the playground or in the other settings. He uh, tries to intermingle with the others. He tries to understand the behavior of the others, and he acts accordingly. He behaves accordingly in a socially approved way, so that his personality, his stable personality has been reflected. Peers also influences uh, the socialization process in the various ways. Now, religious institution. The religious institution, goes, when the child goes with the parents in in churches or in temples or in mosques, he participated in various ceremonies, festivals, or various religious activity. He tries to imbibe those values which has been inscribed in various scriptures or in the religious books, or the important important sermons of the priest, or the teachings of all those people in the religious institution. So he tries to inculcate those sayings, and he tries to tries to use in in their real life. So these are the agencies which act very act very importantly in socialization of child. Media also plays a very important role in today's life. Media, other electronic media, or TV. There are so many serials and so many. Just for example, Ramayana nowadays has been going on, Shaktiman. So these are some of the cartoon films that has been influencing their life, and it tries to socialize the child in the same way. So the supervision of the parents must be is must be seen while the child views those channels, and then he tries to answer those questions which the child tries to ask to their parents. Because if those questions has been answered in a very uh, proper way, then he will internalize those important behavioral patterns in their personality, and he becomes a fully functional and he becomes a fully functional human being in the society. So it's very important. Generally, the question may be asked in the objective type, that which one of them, which one amongst is the formal agency of socialization. The first one option is playground. Second one is what family. The third one is school. The fourth one religious institution. The other question may be asked, which is the foremost informal agency of socialization. The first option is family. The second option mass media, the third option, playground, the fourth option, the peer groups. So these are the questions that may be asked. In the long question, the question may be asked that what define socialization and what are the agencies of socialization. Describe it briefly. So these are the questions that are generally asked, and you have to prepare yourself for the examination. It is very important from the examination point of view. Now, in the next video, I will tell you about the factors that affect socialization, and so keep watching in the next online video. Thank you.